Hello, in this video we will show you how to open FAC Spanish safe lock with non-symmetrical double bit key. This is a 4-lever lock and we have one main lever from this side, which is kind of a protection, and that is the lock. Let's lock it, and now we will show you how easy to open that with our DM 4+1 FAC decoder. The pins are on one side, 4 pins in a row, and now the operator will reset them. Our pins to start position, and then insert the two turn it and simply apply tension and release tension. Very simple and fast procedure. With one side he keep the two straight to the lock, and with the right hand he apply and release tension on the lever. Now the first turn is ready. Of course you can create also a mechanical key working for that lock, or if you simply want to open it, that is the way. Once again, for the second turn, he reset the pins, insert the two, keep it straight, and apply tension and release tension. That is very fast and effective tool for manipulation of safe locks. It's DM Decoder by Luckylocks original tool. Thank you for your attention.